Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the latest tips and tricks to help you glow up as a guy in 2023. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps you can take to transform yourself into the best version of you. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Let's get started. Step 1. Prioritize personal grooming. When it comes to glowing up, personal grooming plays a crucial role. Establish a solid grooming routine that includes skin care, hair care, and proper hygiene practices. Invest in quality grooming products that suit your needs. And remember, taking care of yourself not only enhances your appearance, but also boosts your confidence. Step 2. Focus on fitness and nutrition. To achieve a complete glow-up, it's essential to prioritize your physical health. Engage in regular exercise that suits your preferences, whether it's weightlifting, cardio, or sports. Pay attention to your nutrition by consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. A healthy body is a key ingredient in your journey towards self-improvement. Step 3. Develop a fashion sense. Your sense of style can greatly impact how you present yourself to the world. Experiment with different fashion choices to find a style that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. Stay updated with the latest fashion trends, but remember to prioritize comfort and individuality. Dressing well not only enhances your appearance, but also boosts your self-assurance. Step 4. Cultivate inner confidence. Glowing up isn't just about external changes, it's about nurturing inner confidence as well. Work on building a strong belief in yourself and your abilities. Practice positive self-talk, set realistic goals, and challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone. Embrace your strengths and be kind to yourself in moments of self-doubt. Remember, confidence is magnetic. Step 5. Enhance your social skills. Developing excellent social skills can open doors to new opportunities and connections. Practice active listening, maintain good eye contact, and work on effective communication. Engage in social activities that align with your interests, and don't be afraid to meet new people. Building strong relationships and expanding your network can positively impact your personal and professional life. Step 6. Embrace personal growth. To truly glow up, embrace the journey of personal growth. Seek opportunities for self-improvement, whether it's through reading books, attending workshops, or acquiring new skills. Set goals for yourself and work diligently towards achieving them. Remember, self-development is a lifelong process, and every step forward counts. Step 7. Practice self-care and mental well-being. Taking care of your mental well-being is as important as physical care. Practice self-care activities that recharge your mind and soul. This can include meditation, pursuing hobbies, spending time in nature, or simply taking breaks to relax. Prioritize self-reflection, manage stress, and cultivate a positive mindset. Remember, a healthy mind leads to a glowing life. And there you have it, the essential steps to help you glow up as a guy in 2023. By prioritizing grooming, fitness, style, confidence, social skills, personal growth, and mental well-being, you'll be well on your way to becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, this journey is unique to you, so embrace it with enthusiasm and enjoy the transformation.